Take a ride in the 2016 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, keyless start, ABS four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, auto-off headlights, CD player, child safety locks, passenger airbag, bucket seats, electronic stability control, MP3 player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.